This is a Downy Woodpecker, and it's a male Downy Woodpecker, as you can see the red spot on the back of its head. And also note that it's got a bill that's much shorter than the width of its head. The Downy Woodpecker gets its name from the fact that it's got soft downy feathers on its back, in comparison to the hairy woodpecker that has more hairy feathers on its back. Once this woodpecker flies away, you're going to listen to the sounds of northern flickers, followed by yellow-rumped warbler.
If you liked this video and you like this kind of content, you may want to subscribe to my channel. And you're like, what does subscribing to a channel mean? Well, for one, it doesn't cost you anything. It's just an easier way to learn about new videos that I post. And it's an easier way to find my channel. When you subscribe, then you can go back to my channel by looking at your subscriptions in YouTube. And to subscribe, all you do is click on the red subscribe button that's below the video. It's that easy.